garbage. Okay, so in garbage we discussed about many things. As for example, we discussed about what is garbage. Okay, that means it is a unwanted waste, okay, that we use after we finish our work. Okay, then we have different forms of garbage, like garbage are of different types, okay, that are mostly originated from your homes, office, school, market, hospitals, etc. There are many places, okay, from where you will find different types of garbages. Okay, and those garbages, they are, some are useful, some are useless, but can be used later on, okay, in another way. As for example, not holding a ear like this, but holding the ear like this, okay, means in another way we can use that thing. Okay, that means all forms of garbage can be used. Good. Okay, yes, mostly, okay, if you use it carefully. Then we have number 3, biodegradable. Biodegradable means which can be degraded, that means which can decompose, okay, in the ground by the action of soil, wind, microorganism, anything. Then we have number 4, non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable, which can't be decomposed, okay, which can't be decomposed. Okay, so we talked about this. Then we talked about vermicompost. Okay, now let's talk about the main thing which can cause much more harm to our environment, but still that part is very much important. As for example, we have plastics, isn't it? So whatever the things, as for example, this pen, it is also a plastic, okay, and in most things, that means in vehicles also, your house also, okay, here also we have the water bottle you are carrying is made up of plastic only. Okay, that means these plastics have some feature, have some important features. As for example, it is durable. Durable means majboot. Okay, then no, it is durable, not non-durable. It is durable. Okay, non-durable is another thing. Then it is, it can be shaped into any form. Can be shaped in any form. That means whatever you want to make. If you want to make water bottle, you can make it. If you want to make any form of things, okay, if you can make a woman also, you will make. Toy also you can make. Okay, se guriya uriya hota hai. That is also a form of plastic. Even a plastic shoe also is made. Plastic shoe is also made. Okay, then another thing, it does, steel is another thing. We are talking about plastic. Yes, yeah, storage tanks. Okay, so it can be made anything. Okay, to store gas also, to store water also, and to store metals also, shoes also there. So there are various things. So almost 80 to 90% of our things are made up of plastic. Okay, so you can say that plastic is most important. So another one, it is not affected by air, water, and microorganisms. As for example, the paper is affected by air, water, and microorganisms. it get decomposed. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि you wear a paper shoe and go to walk. Can you go? Can you go? You can't go because it will decompose. Okay, but if you wear a plastic shoe, can you go? Yes, you can go. To some extent you can go, but if that place is much more warmer, much more hot, at that place you will avoid. At that place if you avoid, but in most cases you will wear. Yeah, that is also made up of plastics also. Okay, a composition of plastic, rubber and plastic. Okay, and rubber is another thing, but plastic shoes also are made. Okay, that is PVC. Huh? Yeah, that is not plastic shoe. Okay, I am just talking about the importance of plastic. Okay, so it's a important thing. It is durable, can be shaped to any form, isn't it? Not affected by air, water and microorganisms. Okay, so it, in this sense we can say that it is biodegradable. That means it is non-biodegradable. Okay, is it useful or not? It is not useful. It is useful. It is useful. As for example, we use it, and if that is wasted, that means if a toy, if it is broken, what will happen? You will buy a new toy, that is okay, but what will you do with that, the old one? Okay, that means you will give to the kawariwalas or the person who will recycle it. That means it can be recycled. It can be recycled, as we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, that means if we can send it for recycling, it will be much better. But what will happen if we throw it in a garbage? Yes, it will harm our environment because it is non-biodegradable and will stay and will remain in the soil for many years. Yes, it can remain for 1,000 years. As for example, I will give you an example. Okay, suppose you are making a pillar. Okay, you are making a pillar, or you are making something which is concrete. Concrete means house. Yes, house, a small house of cement, a small house, not this one big. Okay, a small house. And if you make in a mud, okay, and at the base of the mud there is a plastics. There is a plastic. Will it hold for a longer time? No, it will not hold, because it will not gain this strength. Okay, it will slip, because plastic can slip the things. Okay, same thing happens with the construction also. That is called land pollution. Okay, that means whatever we throw, the things that we throw in, things means mostly plastic things, when we throw in soil, and if you have to construct it, as for example, if the school building is constructed in a plastic garbage, will it hold? Okay, when earthquake will come, what will happen? It will fall down. Okay, but if that is free from plastic, what will happen? It will be much more durable. Okay, that means plastic has some advantages also, plastic has some disadvantages also. Okay, but the thing is that who make it disadvantage? Who will make? We will make. We are making it. Okay, by not treating it properly. Okay, not I, we. Not I, we. Okay, we are making it harmful. Okay, so if we can segregate at the initial level, then it will be better. Okay, suppose think that there is, if in a market we don't have any plastic, what will happen? What will happen? In market there is no plastic, what will happen? Think. And you have to go and buy an oil. Is it possible? Is it possible? You have to bring an oil. Oil means तेल लेके आना है खाने के लिए. Okay, लेके आ सकते हो. It is not possible. Yes, it is possible if you carry a tin. That means metal vessel, but it's not possible for everyone to carry a metal vessel. Okay, so we can say that plastic is good for us, but at the same time, if we don't throw it in a proper way, then it will cause harmful. That means plastic can be good as well as bad for the environment, even us also. Huh? Okay, that doesn't matter, leave it. Got it? Okay, so this was all about importance of but in the same time we can reduce it, the consumption. We can reduce the consumption of plastic, and it is better to reduce the consumption. How we can reduce the consumption of plastic? As for example, yes, by using it, less using it. As for example, to buy a vegetable, okay, if you go to market, okay, the shopkeeper will give you in a polythene bag, okay, but if you say, keep this polythene bag with you, I have my own bag, keep it here only, keep the potato in my bag, okay. And if you have to buy another thing, that is onion, okay, suppose if that person is giving you in plastic, reduce it, okay. Reduce means simply say that give it in my handbag, that means give it in my jhola, okay, that thaila. Sugar, that what I am telling now, we have to reduce it. I am not saying that we have to completely ban it, okay. I am not telling that completely ban it, we have to reduce it. For sugar, yes, give, but if along with sugar, if you have to buy some solid things, okay, so don't use plastic for that. Tell him to keep in that plastic sugar only, okay, if it is not mixed, okay. In that way what will happen, we are reducing it, okay. So when we reduce it, this shopkeeper will, what he will do? What shopkeeper will do? Yes, he will not buy plastic for the customers, okay. So if he is buying 1,000 pieces of plastic, if he is buying 1,000 pieces of plastic, a shopkeeper, and if we are not using it, okay, if we are not using it much, and some people are there, okay, who will not take bag because they have been working at some places. As for example, if your father is working in a bank, suppose, okay, and on the way, if he gets the call from your mother and she tell that you go and bring some vegetable, so you don't have any bag, in that case plastic can be used. In that case, okay, suppose 1,000 pieces of plastics is being purchased by that shopkeeper, not us, that shopkeeper, okay, and in reducing, while reducing, he only consumes 200 pieces. उसका कितना यूज हुआ? 200 पीस. 1000 क्या करता था पहले, बहुत यूज करता. दैट मीन्स ही यूज टू गिव 1000 पीस डेली, बट आफ्टर रिड्यूसिंग, आफ्टर अवेयरनेस, on that same day he only used it 200 piece. So what he will do? Again tomorrow he will buy? He will not buy. Tomorrow he will not buy. He will use that 800, remaining 800. Got it? He will use that remaining 800. And from where he is buying? The factories, or the factory of factories which is preparing this plastic, they will also produce less. They will also produce less. So all things will be lesser. All things will be lesser. And finally, waste will also be less. No, khatam nahi hoga. Okay, it will not completely finish, but it will be reduced. It will be reduced, which doesn't harm the environment. Which doesn't harm the environment. Understand this thing? Okay, so instead of asking for polythene or plastic, okay, simply, yes, take something with you, either your handbag, either your what carry bag, chola. Yes, Smriti, na? You told that how sir chini how will take, okay, that means sugar. So it can be kept in a paper bag. It can be kept in a paper bag to some extent. Yes, in paper bag. Okay, and after that the paper bag will be wrapped and will be kept in your, means the bag which you are carrying, the cloth bag. Understood? By this we can reduce it. Okay. If you are, yes, junk food. Yes, that's what I am telling you now. Junk food like kurkure, okay, dairy milk, biscuits. So for that we have to use the plastic. Okay, we have to use the plastic, but somehow, as I told that 100% we can't finish. 100% it's not possible. Let's go to market and do dharnas, andolan, stop plastic, stop. It's not possible. Okay, but to some extent we can reduce it to some extent, and if we reduce it, then it will be much more helpful for our environment. Okay, so you can discuss the importance of plastic also. You can discuss the disadvantages of plastic also. Okay, understood? Okay.